Hi, I'm Damien, and I want to show you the Hexbug Nano that I got. They're these little bugs that go up, and when you turn them on, they kind of move around a lot.
What are you doing?
I'm making a YouTube video.
You're funny.
Even in my shell! How dare you!
Funny.
See it moving around and keeps on going. They're battling. They're battling now. Good. Oh, it's a battle. It's all three of them. They're all moving around. Oh, one's down. When they get on their sides and they move on their backs, they get right back up. That was a mess up right there. See how they just did that? Oh, that one tipped over. This is my first set, and I just got this one today. I bought it by myself for $20. I got it at Radio Shack. And I also got this rare Hexbug Nano. The yellow one's new. I just got it today. I'm probably going to make another video in a second, so goodbye.